Up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah.
Hey, I'm here with Chad with Real Avid, and he's going to show us some of the new stuff that has come in, which Real Avid's always constantly coming out with new stuff, it seems like. So
that's what we try to do. We try to be innovative in the brand in our space. So here's what we got new for 2025 coming out. We have our smart torque limiters. So we have fixed torque value and adjustable from 15 to 65. And then these are going to be available individually, or we have a couple kits that they're going to be coming in as well. So here's our set with our X3 driver with the fixed, and the set with the X3 driver with the adjustable. So real simple to use. We have our limiter out of there. So we put our ratchet on there, pop that locking pin over, and now we can adjust our torque. Whoops, not all the way over. So now we can adjust our torque up and down.
So much smaller than your standard like torque wrench that you'd have to be able.
And then you just lock that guy back over. And so these are designed with a slip clutch, and they have the slip clutch built in and an audible click. So you don't have to watch it. You get that slip and a nice audible click, so you know when you've hit your torque setting. Nice. Same thing with the fixed value ones as well. They are slip clutch and audible click. And then we have a couple bit kits that we have come out with for 2025. So we have a 57 and a 52 piece bit kit. That one's got some sockets in it. Both have our X3 drivers in them. So the X3 driver, he just pointed that out. X3 driver, you got regular ratcheting, right? It's got the thumb drive there. Put that guy in as an extension. Also goes in like so.
Oh, that'd be so handy.
It's a T-handle.
Yep.
So use it like a T-handle, and then you can put it on the back as an extension. Use it as like a nut driver or something like that.
Okay.
The other new product we have is if you're familiar with our vise and our vise blocks for AR-15s and AR-10s, we have now come out with a vise block that is Glock magazine based. So PCC, pistol caliber carbines, AR-9s, any Glock pistol based magazines.
Can use that on our Exodus that we build.
Yeah.
It's a pistol carbine.
Nice. Very nice. Yeah, and that works hand in hand with our vise, or will work in any vise. We have some muzzle loading stuff that came out this year as well. Nice. This is a muzzle loader toolkit right here. Bore brush, cleaning rods, a couple brushes, toolkit for getting out breech plugs, and a breaker bar, a couple extensions, sockets, a spanner wrench, and then this 4-in-1 toolkit. So this is also available as a standalone, or it comes in the kit, and this gives you a square scraper, a straight carbon scraper, wrong button, a flash hole cleaner, so you got the wire that comes with there so you can clean the flash hole, and then there's a flash hole carbon scraper as well. So that's our muzzle loader kit that is now available as well. So that is all the new stuff for 2025.
Well, I appreciate it. This stuff's awesome. We're going to spend a little bit more time drooling over here, but we can let you get back to work at the same time, and I do appreciate your time.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much.
Hey.